Yeah, no, great. Thanks for everything. It's been a good coverage.
And we have finally been able to engage the services of Graham Clark, who is sitting my left here, who will be the new CEO starting from the 1st of March 2017. Graham comes with significant experience of the sugar industry. He's a Zimbabwean originally. He also has nationalities of South Africa and Australia. He's a chartered accountant by profession. He also has a degree in accountancy with honors. But most importantly, his involvement with the sugar industry goes back to the last 30 years. He has worked in the sugar sector in South Africa, in Malawi, in Swaziland, and in Nigeria. He has been the financial controller in some of these countries, and most recently he has been the group managing director for the sugar industry in Malawi and also Nigeria. He used to work for Lonro Group, which most of you know is a very well-known British plantation group, which specialized in African plantations, which I was familiar with during my days in Africa. So we are delighted that we have been able to secure the service of someone of the caliber of Graham Clark, who is going to be extremely useful in our ambition to take the Fiji sugar industry forward. At the same time, the PS and I talked about the structure of Fiji Sugar, and I, having been on the scene only for the last 3 months, found it difficult to understand the operational efficiency and productivity of FSC. It seems too complex. There were too many layers, and there was a need to simplify, first of all, the structure, organization structure, and secondly, the process to bring in more efficiency and more productivity. So we felt the need to bring in a top quality chief operating officer who can bring in the end-to-end supply chain management to what is a critical industry for the country. So we have been able to, again, I'm delighted to say, secure the services of a Fijian national, Navin Chandra, who was born and bred in Lambasa, went to University of South Pacific. He had his bachelor's, BSc, Bachelor of Science degree from USP, did his master's at California State University, then also got an MBA from Queensland Central University. He used to work for Ministry of Environment here, then he spent some time with Watercola Mines, but most importantly, he spent the last 19 years with Coca-Cola Hamatil in New Zealand and in Australia, has a thorough understanding of supply chain management, and for us, he'll be an outstanding fit to our agenda of simplifying the process and bringing in improved productivity and significant efficiency to the process. So Naveen, welcome. And Naveen's mother, who is seated there, Mrs. Subha Chandra, is a farmer from Lambasa, and she is still involved in farming in Lambasa. And it happened to be his birthday today, so the mother is here to see her son being, the announcement being made about the son being the chief operating officer for FSC, which is a proud moment for the mother, and indeed a proud moment for the son as well. So congratulations and happy birthday. Thank you.
At the outset, I think I should just place on record how honoured I am and grateful for this appointment. I do consider it a bit of an honour after a long career in this industry. I believe I've got a background that can serve the company and the country well, and I see great opportunity for FSC going forward. So I really look forward to getting into the seat, learning more about the industry and understanding the issues facing us, and constructively helping to build a sustainable way forward for the industry. So, Chairman, I really look forward to the role, look forward to the 1st of March, and as you know, I think I've already stepped into the position, and we'll try and get a head start if I can. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everybody that has come here today. I'm deeply honored and humbled as well. Very excited. The reason is the sugar industry is and will always be the backbone of this country. And it is an iconic industry, and I'm absolutely delighted to be serving this organization, and in that way serving the farmers and all the groups that are associated with it. So there's a lot of work ahead of us, but absolutely excited, and I look upon the assistance of everybody that's involved, all the stakeholders that are involved, so we can work together with one goal to make this iconic industry where it should be. So I'm really, really excited. I acknowledge my mother being here. So, she's still a farmer, which is exciting. 19 years ago, my father passed away, and she looked after the farm. So it is really an honor for me. Thank you.
Who is taking?
Thank you.
That's it?
We're done.
Thank you.